Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mashwita Sinha Inner Light Studio. So today we are going to see what is the energy or what is the message that angel wants to give to Aries. Okay, how is your Saturn retrograde going? I would like to know all the Aries. So, angel, please guide me. What do you want to? What are the messages for Aries? Fire sign. Let me know. Sorry. Warrior. Be fearless and stand strong. I hope you can see this. We have take charge and authority as well. The Lord card. That is the bottom of the deck. Love and let yourself be loved. Trust in the unknown. Yeah, I will pull out 6 cards. So, direction guardian, choose your path. Healing through lineage. This is the card. Okay, so Aries, yes. What's going on? Lots of, I feel that lots of doubts. Uh, Opportunities as well. You have the plan, so where you can actually execute, and you have for how should I explain this? Suppose for one plan to execute one plan, you have multiple options. So you have to choose which option gives you what, or which option will give you the best and the easiest long lasting results. That's what I'm getting. You are restricting yourself a lot. So a lot of healing is going on, so which I would suggest that healing yourself is the first thing that you can do to get rid of many obstacles, to get rid of many blockages. But you are restricting yourself too much. You are thinking too much. Too much of thinking is going on. Too much of insecurities is there. You are insecure. You are thinking too much about what others will think, because see, what is the bottom of the deck is the Lord card. Take charge with authority. So this is where I would suggest you don't be into too much. You are shielding yourself too much, so that is not needed. You have the messages, your intentions are quite clear. You know what to do. It's just that you are not taking actions. That's what I'm feeling. So here one more thing is there. If you are uh, Love yourself. Don't sacrifice too much. Don't compromise where you don't need to. So it's a more like you need to trust the universe. Something is happening and the transition is happening. That is a positive also for Aries. Positive thing is there, Saturn is in retrograde mode. Many things will speed up. Like you must be feeling that I don't have to uh, like moving a particular thing, moving in a particular direction is much smoother than before. But when you are getting that clear path to move on, you are getting lots and lots of self doubts. You are getting lots and lots of, you are putting the restriction on yourself. You are doubting yourself. So what the angel suggests is, please be fearless, like the warrior card. Whatever your belief is there, whatever you believe in, so you have to be fearless and hold your ground. There is no place for self doubts. Don't doubt yourself. Or else what you can do is a small tip. You can, whatever doubts you have, you can make a pointers of all the doubts or all the confused things that is going on for any particular action that you are supposed to take. So later on, after 2 days, read those doubts once again and see whether actually they are valid, because you have a lots and lots of positive energy to start something new, to begin in a, to begin something which will be long lasting. So in case of healing, I am, of course, I don't know your age. It's not possible also. For all the Aries, please let go which is not serving you. There is a huge unlearning process that you have to go through. And unlearning is very, very, very important. The reason being, if you are not letting whatever belief system you had earlier, those are the blockages, because time change, people do change, situation always one situation is not the same every time. Situations do change depending on people, depending on the opportunities that you are getting. You may switch your line, professional line. You can switch from job to business, or from business to job, or multiple tasks that you are taking in, multiple projects that you are signing in. So it's very, very, very important, let go of self doubts, be fearless. See why am, this is the first card. First card is very important, as you know, every time I say that. So this is the warrior card. Be fearless and stand strong. Hold your ground. Whatever you believe in, change the way for execution. Whatever you want to execute in a particular manner, you have the plan A, make a plan B, make a plan C as well. Whichever suits you, go for that, because you have that. Now the energy is choose your path. Choose your path is, you have three plans. You can find it out which plan will be best for you, how you can more work on that. Be open to love, love yourself, fulfill your emotional and mental need. To all the Aries, if you are realizing you have done some past mistakes, please don't sit at one place and don't constantly think of this happened due to me, I told this, I did that. Don't do that. Yes, you know you did something that you are not supposed to, and that point of time, it maybe that situation was like that, you took that particular decision. But don't sit with that, let it go, learn from that, and don't repeat it. It's very simple. If only if you are getting yourself out from any kind of confusion stage. Okay, all right. So there is angels are constantly guiding you. You need to trust the divine blessings. Practice gratitude journal, that I always tell everybody, because more gratitude journal at times, while writing gratitude journal, people says that we cry a lot. You told us to write gratitude journal, I was writing and I cried a lot, because gratitude journal will remind you what are the good things, how maybe a bad thing happened, something happened, but that actually taught you a lesson, or you are getting rid of some cycle. So trust on divine energy. Practice more and more gratitude journal. Don't think too much. You are just sitting at one place. Take few deep breaths. Exhale all your worries out. Center your energy. Start writing whatever you feel like. Let your emotions go. Let your confusion go. Let your fear go. Cards are positive, but only thing is that opportunities are there. Somehow you are providing uh, your energy supply, the direction of your energy supply is totally into guilt, your mistakes, your doubts, your confusion. So you are not able to work on that path where you just need to push the door a little bit and you will find your way. So it's just like that. Okay, so focus on that. I hope this helps. Please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get to know all the updates about your zodiac or many other important things that I discuss in this channel. Okay, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.